Welcome to your Spring Renewal meditation, updating your mindset for happiness. Begin by finding a comfortable, safe spot where you won't be interrupted. When you're ready, close your eyes and just focus on your breath. Allow yourself this time and space to focus on you. This is your time and your space. Take in a deep, calming breath and then breathe out anything you don't need. Breathe in calm and peace, and breathe out any tension, stress, and distractions from your day. Feel your body becoming heavier and settling in with each breath, allowing yourself to go deeper into relaxation with every moment that you spend here. Slowly inhale and breathe out a long, calming exhale. Another breath in through your nose and a long exhale out through your mouth. One more big, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Releasing and relaxing. Now imagine that you are standing in a lush, quiet garden. Notice the colors of the flowers, trees, and the sky above you. Feel a breeze that carries the soft, airy perfume of wildflowers and fresh grass, instantly signaling to your brain that it is safe to relax and let go. Now around you, a soft, gentle spring rain begins to fall. You may even feel a few light drops upon you. And as each drop touches down, it washes away a layer of noise. The first drops wash away the judgments and questions you hold against yourself. Washing away the negative self-talk and criticisms. The next drops rinse away the regrets, the past, and the worries of the future, and any negative thoughts about what you cannot control. Notice the water soaking into the soil beneath your feet, taking all your tension down into the earth to nourish the soil and be reused. You are being cleansed, softened, and prepared for something new. The rain washes away anything you don't need. Notice the clouds beginning to part, the rain slowing down and stopping, and a warm golden sun emerges. Feel the warmth on your shoulders traveling down your body. This is the light of your own awareness, and it brings healing and comfort. In this garden, you are like the seeds beneath the soil. So often we spend time in our heads, questioning ourselves and being overwhelmed by the noise of the world. But now the sun is calling you to rise and shine. Allow yourself a moment now to push pause and go inward to focus on what you truly need and want, not what society, your friends, or your family think you should do, but what's actually best for you. See yourself as a flower beginning to bud. You deserve to be content, whether that's making a change in your life, changing a behavior, or changing how you think. As the sun warms your petals, they begin to unfurl one by one. This is you opening. This is your renewal. Take in another slow, deep breath in and slow, deep breath out. And push away any expectations that are holding you back. Let them float away like loose petals in the wind. Now, in the center of your being, in the heart of your bloom, consider, what do you need right now to be happy, content, or even just okay? You can't change others. You can't change the world. And you may not even be able to change your current circumstances. But what you can change right now is your thinking. As you feel the strength of being grounded in your body and mind, realize you have the power to develop a new belief system. Change your approach to a problem, or choose to focus on the positive or what you are grateful for. What small change can you make right now to be happy or more positive? Let that answer rise up like a flower reaching towards the sun's light. A flower grows by working with the elements, not against them. You too can find your inner peace by choosing how you respond to the world, letting your happiness start from within. You can adapt your mindset to find your joy, regardless of the environment around you. And as you stand in the warmth of this new season, carry this truth with you. You are the architect of your own inner climate, and you are choosing to bloom. You are not just surviving the elements and the stressors. You are using them to grow stronger, clearer, and more deeply connected to your own journey and your own joy. And as you return to your day, your unconscious mind, that powerful, quiet part of you, is now attuned to the frequency of happiness. Even when you aren't looking for it, your mind will naturally begin to notice the small, bright moments. The radiant sun against the bright blue sky. The coziness of a soft chair. Or a smile meant just for you. Your happiness is no longer an effort. It is becoming your natural state of being. Now take one last moment to feel your inner bloom and renewal. Your body feeling relaxed, grounded, and strong. And when you are ready, you will carry this feeling of renewal with you as you bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the strength of the earth beneath you. Feel the warmth of the sun still lingering on your skin. Take in a deep, energizing breath. Slowly move your body, feeling refreshed and new. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling fully present, awake, and carrying your inner happiness with you into the rest of your days. You are a beautiful and unique flower and deserve to be happy in this garden of life. Welcome back to Your Life Flow.